Google defines empath as someone who feels more empathy than the average person. I would also say that an empath is pretty much someone who's incredibly and even almost unnaturally attuned to people's emotions around them, to the point where they can absorb and take on those emotions, whether it be just the people in their house or the people in their apartment building or even people around their radius. Some people even say, like, just taking on the world's emotions, and often confusing it to varying degrees with whatever emotions that they might have, and having to untangle themselves from that. So today we're going to be talking about what it means to be an empath and some tips and some ethics behind whether, like, if you are an empath or if you know some empaths. I personally believe that there's like a couple, like maybe 2 to 3 rules that come with being an empath that I think that I'll share my 2 cents on.